So in the marketplace, you have apps that are ready to go, production ready. Here we can see the Next Move routing app. I'm gonna click on it. And yeah, so the Next Move routing app is to solve vehicle routing problems. And here are all the available features, like some of which we are using, right? Such as the precedence for pickups and deliveries. So it's basically out of the box, ready to go. I'm gonna go ahead and add it to my apps. Let's call it sample farm. Save us. Cool. Create app. All right, this is my app. So it's now showing up in my app section here. I'm gonna click on it. And this is the really cool part about this app. Let me go ahead and click on the API reference here. And you can see this is basically ready to go, right? Couple of clicks, you have an application, an endpoint. You can even see that it has my name on it. So it's personalized to you and it's production ready. So I'm gonna go ahead and start using it, right? I have this endpoint called new application run. And new application run takes my app ID, which is sample farm shares farm save us, sorry, yeah. And then I'm gonna go ahead and use the latest instance. And I'm gonna send it a JSON input. This JSON input has some stuff, which are the stops, right, that I'm servicing. For vehicles, for example, I have a start location and an end location, what I was mentioning, a capacity. So I'm gonna go ahead and execute the run. When you execute the run, what this endpoint is gonna give you is a run ID, right? This run ID is what you might use for this other endpoint to get your result. So your production service hits this other endpoint, which is get, you poll for it, right? So you start polling until you get a succeeded result, but you also have the run history for your app. So in this run history, you can see that it is a table that it will populate with all of your runs. I can just go ahead and click on my run ID and I can see the information. So one, this is the current solution. We have some unassigned stops here and there, which are the red dots, and you can debug into your routes and you can take a look at your JSON output. This is what your service is getting in the backend.